Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fidelity Investment Planner account, secure access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the Fidelity Investments website URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the login button. You can find this button at the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. A drop-down menu will appear with options for different accounts. Select investment accounts from the list. You will now be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Then, input your password in the next field. Take a moment to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the box for Remember Me. When you are ready, click on the Login button. After a few moments, you should be taken to your Fidelity Investment Planner dashboard. If you encounter any issues during login, look for the Trouble Logging In link. Clicking this link will guide you through the password recovery process. Follow the instructions provided to regain access to your account. Once logged in, you can now manage your investments securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.